Hi guys, it's Jessie. It's a very simple craft project, and here I'm using wedding decor flower petals in metallic silver color. You can get it on eBay or Amazon and any other craft stores, and it's very cheap in price. You can get it for £3 or £2. Then I'm using the mirror which I purchased from shop B&M for just £2 each. Here I'm separating the petals from each other and sticking it onto the mirror by using hot glue. You need to clean the mirror well before you attaching the petals, otherwise there is a chance that it may come off because of the grease or dirt and dust on the mirror. If you are a regular viewer of my videos, you can see it's one of the easiest projects I have ever done. Here, before I started the video, I thought just to go for one layer of petals, but here I have more than enough, so I'm going for a second layer also. You can do the other way, like the second layer is overlapping the first layer. Thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. See you later. Bye bye.